The Artificial Intelligence Revolution, Transforming Scripted Money-Making Ventures. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, has quickly become a disruptive force in a variety of sectors, transforming the way business is performed and redefining income generation opportunities. AI-powered scripts have emerged as a revolutionary tool for producing money in recent years, upsetting established ways to wealth generation. The ascension of AI-powered scripts. This article digs into the dramatic influence of AI on scripted money-making endeavors, investigating how AI-driven scripts are altering industries, reinventing strategies, and opening up new profit opportunities. AI-powered scripts are pre-programmed algorithms that automate jobs and decision-making processes using machine learning and data analysis. These scripts range from basic automatic answers to complicated trading algorithms, content production tools, marketing campaigns, and other applications. AI-powered scripts have emerged as a result of the exponential expansion of computer power, the availability of massive data, and advances in machine learning techniques. Finance and trading. One of the most notable areas revolutionized by AI-powered scripts is the financial sector. The ascension of AI-powered scripts. AI-powered scripts are pre-programmed algorithms that automate jobs and decision-making processes using machine learning and data analysis. These scripts range from basic automatic answers to complicated trading algorithms, content production tools, marketing campaigns, and other applications. Industries transformed by AI scripts. AI-powered scripts have emerged as a result of the exponential expansion of computer power, the availability of massive data, and advances in machine learning techniques. Algorithmic trading, which relies heavily on AI algorithms, has disrupted traditional trading practices. AI scripts can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying market trends and making split-second trading decisions, often more accurately than human traders. This has led to increased efficiency, reduced risks, and improved profitability. E-commerce and retail. AI-powered scripts are used in e-commerce to customize shopping experiences, propose items, and improve pricing tactics. Retailers use artificial intelligence algorithms to evaluate client behavior, estimate demand, and even manage inventory, resulting in increased sales and customer happiness. Digital marketing efforts are being transformed by AI scripts. AI-powered scripts are strengthening marketing efforts by more effectively targeting audiences and adapting campaigns based on data-driven insights, from content generation to automating social media postings and evaluating consumer responses. Content creation. AI scripts are also making tremendous progress in the generation of content. They can produce articles, reports, and even creative works such as music and artwork. While human creativity is irreplaceable, AI-powered scripts may help generate large amounts of material fast in order to fulfill the expectations of the digital age. Customer service. Many firms are now adopting AI scripts to provide customer care via chatbots. These chatbots can respond to typical inquiries instantly, increasing customer happiness and decreasing the pressure on human support personnel. Scripted money-making ventures are being revolutionized. Efficiency and scalability. AI-powered scripts provide businesses with remarkable efficiency and scalability. Tasks that needed substantial human resources and time in the past can now be automated, allowing firms to focus on strategic planning and growth. Companies may use AI scripts to analyze enormous amounts of data, manage difficult operations, and reach a larger audience with minimum additional work. Data-driven insights. The capacity of AI scripts to evaluate massive volumes of data and create actionable insights is what makes them so powerful. Companies may make educated decisions based on real-time data analysis, increasing their competitiveness and agility in volatile markets. Cost savings. Using AI-powered scripts to automate processes can dramatically cut operating expenses. Businesses may reduce labor costs and optimize resource allocation, resulting in better profit margins. AI-powered scripts can actually drive invention. contrary to the popular belief that AI will replace human ingenuity. Businesses may free up human resources to focus on more creative and strategic activities by automating monotonous processes. AI-powered scripts allow businesses to function around the clock, appealing to worldwide consumers regardless of time zones. This expanded accessibility has the potential to increase consumer engagement and revenue possibilities. Risk management. In finance and trading, AI scripts help to control risk by evaluating market trends and patterns and making data-backed investment decisions. This decreases the likelihood of emotional decisions being impacted by market volatility. Challenges and ethical considerations. While the AI-powered script revolution provides several benefits, it also poses significant problems and ethical concerns that must be addressed. Job displacement. Concerns regarding job displacement might arise as a result of work automation using AI scripts. While AI can generate new jobs and sectors, there is a need for the workforce to be retrained and upskilled in order to adapt to shifting employment landscapes. Bias and fairness. AI scripts may unintentionally perpetuate prejudices existing in the data on which they are taught. It is critical that these scripts are written and tested with equity and inclusion in mind. Concerns about privacy. The usage of AI scripts frequently entails the acquisition and analysis of personal data. Striking a balance between tailored experiences and user privacy is a key challenge. Dependability and accountability. To ensure dependability and accuracy, AI-powered scripts must be carefully tested. When a script makes a mistake or makes a bad judgment, responsibility becomes a difficult matter. Regulation and standards. Because AI scripts are rapidly evolving, suitable rules and standards are required to ensure responsible and ethical use. It is vital to strike the correct balance between innovation and monitoring. The AI-powered script revolution is changing how organizations generate money, disrupting sectors and bringing up new revenue streams. AI scripts are altering techniques and approaches to money-making initiatives ranging from banking and trading to e-commerce, marketing, and content production. AI scripts' efficiency, scalability, data-driven insights, and lower costs are disrupting established business paradigms. However, like with any technical progress, there are obstacles and ethical issues to consider. As AI scripts advance, job displacement, prejudice, privacy problems, responsibility, and legislation all demand careful consideration. Undoubtedly, the future promises even more fascinating possibilities for AI-powered scripts. Businesses will continue to use AI to build creative, profitable, and sustainable initiatives that transform sectors and reinvent how money is produced as technology improves and ethical frameworks evolve. Businesses will continue to use AI to build creative, profitable, and sustainable initiatives that transform sectors and reinvent how money is produced as technology improves and ethical frameworks evolve.